This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the data released us is false. I'm going to give us a false narrative of the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, Goldman Sachs had their criminal case dismissed. These guys were in Malaysia bribing officials to sell $6.5 billion in bonds. Okay? And $4.5 billion of that money disappeared in thin air. They still have no idea where the money went. Okay? So people were charged. Of course, in Malaysia, they did not get off. They locked people up, death sentences. You know how they do overseas. But somehow, Goldman Sachs gets to make an agreement in federal court to pay a fine of $2.9 billion, gave them 3 years to pay the fine, and the criminal charges were dropped. I mean, how is that justice? How is that a deterrent to bad behavior? You conspire to bribe elected officials. You get caught. $4.5 billion in that scheme disappears in thin air like a magic trick. One of the Malaysian guys who was like the head of the conspiracy, he has disappeared without a trace. $4.5 billion has disappeared without a trace. Goldman Sachs should be held accountable. And what they do, the courts let them pay a fine and the criminal charges are over. Is that how our criminal justice system is supposed to work? Is that going to instill respect for the criminal justice system by these high-level criminals? Of course not. This case tells all the bad actors, all the criminals, everybody that's robbing from retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the law, that even if we catch you dead to right, even if the evidence is overwhelming that you committed a crime, we will give you an opportunity to pay a fine and get away with criminal conduct. You or I would not be in the same position. We would be locked up. We would be in handcuffs. We would lose our right to vote and all the other negative things that's associated with a felony conviction. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think it's justice that Goldman Sachs gets to pay a fine and avoid criminal charges? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. And I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.